Rob Fraser here, going to be doing this video talking about what I do when I add a new income stream, or basically how I promote my affiliate marketing programs, I guess. Name of this video, how I promote my affiliate marketing programs, and also this is how I add a new program to my portfolio of what I'm promoting online, if that makes sense. So basically, we get in affiliate marketing, we don't want to be doing just one thing. And a lot of people, whenever they join a new program, and I've seen this myself, and I used to do this myself, just put everything into that new program. And they sort of forget about everything else that they're promoting. Or in my case, I'm earning different amounts of income from different programs. This is basically how I incorporate something new into my whole scheme of things, if that makes sense. So getting into it, I'm also going to talk a little bit about my perpetual traffic plan in this video as well, but I will cover that in a future video. This is how I add new things. So this is what I've done with every single program that I'm in right now today, and also what I do when I join a new program that I want to promote. So as you can see here, this is my blog, and what I do is every time I join a new program, I throw up a blog post. I throw up a blog post on whatever that program is. As you can see here, I have one on iCoin Pro, one on Mining City, one on Power Lead System, one on My Capture Page. Same thing with tools. Tools, programs, systems, marketing systems, affiliate programs, network marketing companies, whatever I want to add to my overall thing, this is the same thing I do. Exodus Elite, I have multiple blog posts on that, free lead system, so you get the point. So every time I join something new, I write a blog post on it. Basically what I do is put into my own words why I decided to join this program. I don't copy, I just say this is what I liked about the program, this is why I joined, this is maybe the system that I'm using, whatever the case. So number one, write a blog post. And how I learned to do this, I'm not a very techie guy. I've learned how to create this whole thing and how to structure a blog post all through a company called Wealthy Affiliate. You can join Wealthy Affiliate for free. Underneath this video, if I remember, I'll include a link to Wealthy Affiliate or a link to my blog post talking about Wealthy Affiliate or a link to my video. What I personally do, you don't have to do this, is every time I write a blog post, I also do a YouTube video and I also do a podcast. That's advanced. You don't have to get that crazy with it. I do. However, it's all the same. If you just want to do blogs, if you just want to do YouTube, or if you just want to do podcasts, just pick one. I do all three, and I'll cover my schedule, my daily method of operation, also in a future video. So I'm going to have 3 videos in this little series here. This one video is talking about what I do whenever I add a new program and how I promote my programs. Second video is going to be my perpetual traffic plan. And my third video is going to be my daily method of operation. And it's really not that complicated. So and I do recommend watching these videos multiple times so you can apply it to your business. So number one, I create a blog post. And that's also the podcast, and that's also the video on YouTube. Number two, I create a sales funnel for it. So what I mean by that, I'm going to just show you what I'm talking about here. One of my programs I'm promoting, and let's see, my computer will wake up here. One of my programs I'm promoting is called Exodus Elite. And I'm going to close this so I slow down. So I got country bumpkin Wi-Fi, so sometimes it's like super slow. One of the programs I promote is Exodus Elite. Exodus Elite has its own marketing system, has its own email autoresponders, has its own replicated piece to it. However, the one thing that separates me from all of the other people promoting the same program, using the same capture pages and the same follow-up emails, is me. Basically, you want to put yourself in front of the company replicated system. Because if somebody goes through this system through multiple people, what's going to make them join you compared to somebody else? You have to stand out. You have to make your own stuff. So basically, instead of sending out these same replicated emails in the autoresponder, what I have done was created my own system, my own email follow-up series through things that I have learned through a company called ClickFunnels. And it's not necessarily the company, but this right here is my own story, my own. Nobody can duplicate these stories because I myself have gone through these lessons that I've shared, and this is my introduction of who I am. So when people come through my marketing system, they're going to see my story, not a company replicated system that everybody else is out there promoting. And that's how you differentiate yourself. Everyone else is promoting the copy and paste stuff while you stand out by simply telling your story. Nobody has your story, and your story is powerful. I don't care where you are, your level of experience, you have some life lessons to give. And basically what you'll learn, it's through a company called ClickFunnels, but it's through the book called Expert Secrets. That's a book written by Russell Brunson, CEO of ClickFunnels. That book will teach you how to use your story to differentiate yourself out there in the marketplace, because that's the only way you're really going to make money. A lot of people want to use these copy and paste, send traffic to a funnel. That's not working anymore. You have to be yourself in the marketplace. So these emails are my own personal emails. Nobody can duplicate, and I learned how to do that through the book called Expert Secrets. There's a couple of other things I want to add as well. This page right here, rather than sending people to the replicated sales page, I send people here to this bridge page. This is a bridge page of a video of me talking about why I joined a company, and I share some of my results, and I share some bonuses that people get for joining with me. And this is what gets me more income in different programs. Here's another program that I'm in. The program is Heal, or Discover Heal. Basically, I do the same thing. Instead of sending people to this same replicated sales page that everybody is out there promoting and using, rather than sending people straight here, I differentiate myself. Instead of sending people straight to this page, I send people to this page right here, where I come up with bonuses and different little things to give people. And no matter what your experience level, you have bonuses to give people. Whether, in my case, I don't have a lot of time, and I tell people, look, your biggest thing you can do, you can offer people, is say, hey, when you sign up, you're going to get a little Zoom call or a Skype call or in-person meeting with me, and I'm going to give you 2 hours to help get your system set up. I can't do that with everybody. So when I'm saying this, when I'm talking about giving bonuses to people, it doesn't have to be these big crazy things. It could just be a little strategy call. And that's what I offer people. And so that changes the whole copy and paste system. And I learned how to do these through a product called, well, basically 2 products. And it's through ClickFunnels as well. It's an affiliate bootcamp, the Expert Secrets book, and then the last one is the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm not going to pull up all of these different websites because, again, I got country bumpkin Wi-Fi, and that's also another reason why I can't really do a lot of the Zoom calls anymore, is because out here in the country, the Wi-Fi slows down, and it's just how I got to do business now. But there's 3 products, and I'm going to include the links underneath this video, or I'm going to include a link to a blog post that's really going to talk about this, and the links will be there. The Affiliate Bootcamp, which is free through ClickFunnels. The Expert Secrets book through ClickFunnels, it's $10. It's one of those free plus shipping. They have a few upsells. The only upsell I would recommend getting is all of the books, expertsecrets.com secrets, and traffic secrets. And again, all of this was done, I've learned how to do this and create it through ClickFunnels. Also, I have share funnels to where you can come through and take this whole thing and duplicate it for yourself. So the second thing I do, so the first thing I do is write the blog post, do the video, do the podcast. The second thing I do is make a sales funnel around it. Basically, I have my own capture page, and I send the when people opt in through the capture page, I send it to this page, the bridge page. When you're going through the training, you'll learn this is called a bridge funnel. And you also learn how to do capture pages. Very, very simple. They have templates, and I can help you with capture pages. I can help you with bridge pages. I can help you by telling your story as well. So when you come through the system and you purchase the products from my affiliate links, I will help you with all of these different things. Also, I would run a test paid traffic campaign, buy 1, 2, 300 clicks, and send it through my system and start tracking. So basically that's the second step. And the third step is basically go on social media and tell my story. So basically how I do that, and I'm pulling up this third piece for a specific reason, because each of these three things does have their own affiliate products to them. The first one, Wealthy Affiliate, again, it's free. The second one is ClickFunnels. The Affiliate Bootcamp is free. The Expert Secrets book is $9.95. Another product I'd recommend is Lead Funnels. It's $7. And you can get a ClickFunnels account. However, that may be a little pricey for some, but for those who get the ClickFunnels account, you'll be on my inner circle, and I'll be helping you do the same thing for yourself. ClickFunnels is $97 a month, to which, yes, I am paying the $97 a month, and it does help your business, period. Lastly, having a social media plan. Social media me was like oil and water. Every time I logged on there, rabbit hole after rabbit hole. But the biggest thing on social media is having a plan, and not just posting your sales funnel. You have to have a specific strategy, and I got that through a company called My Lead System Pro. Basically, this right here is the product that I'm recommending. It's a strategy that you can start to implement, that you can apply to your whole thing. So what I do, join a new program. Number one, write a blog post. That also includes the video and the podcast. Number two, I create a sales funnel. I learned how to do that through the One Funnel Away Challenge, the Affiliate Bootcamp, and Expert Secrets book, to which I also recommend, if you can, getting the upsell with all of the books, TrafficSecrets.com secrets. You don't really need anything else at this point. And then lastly, I take that and I share it on social media. I share it in my Facebook groups, and I do this strategy right here to grow my social media following. And that right there is, in essence, my perpetual traffic plan as well. Because the only thing I do is take what I learn through Wealthy Affiliate, through ClickFunnels, through My Lead System Pro. I create content. I talk about things that I've learned that have gotten me results, like I did in this exact same video. I create content. Then that content I send to my sales funnels. Like on the bottom of this email, you're going to get a capture page. GetCompleteFreedom.com. The link will be in the description. You click on that, you'll opt in. You'll see this exact process being worked right here in front of your eyes. And I have this clock up here because I know I've got a 15-minute time limit for YouTube. But that's it. That's all. I just keep doing that. I learn something, I apply it, I see my results from it. I make a video, a blog post, and I send that to my capture page, my sales funnels, and it just keeps on going. I join a new program. Step one, write the blog post. Step two, create the sales funnel. Step three, talk about it on social media. I get a result from a training, from an affiliate program. Step one, write a blog post. Step two, create a sales funnel around it. Step three, share it on social media. And I just keep repeating. That's all I do. And I make 6 figures from the house. That being said, stay tuned for my next video. I talked about the perpetual traffic plan. I just gave it to you real quick here at the end of the video. I'm going to go into more in depth in the next video. So stay tuned to that on my YouTube. Subscribe, press the notification bell. Have any questions, leave them below. Name's Rob Frazier. We will see you in the next video.